Hygiene tips every woman should know. First of all, let's talk about how we clean our vulva. This is of utmost importance. Look at my hand here. This is a wipe and this is tissue paper. These two we use as women to clean our vulva after using the toilet, either after defecating or after urinating. These two, they are good, definitely. But I want to teach you how to use this so that you will not have problems in the future. Most of women use toilet paper. Toilet paper is good, but we have a lot of fake in the market, so soft. This is very, very soft. And when you use this very soft tissue, it's going to trap in your vulva. And when it traps there, it will attract the attention of microorganisms. And this will cause infection and cause you problem. And most women don't check. Once they get in there, they just clean and come out. Most times, this tissue is trapped in your vulva. And most women do not know, and this thing will attract problems. Some will go high into the vagina, some will just be there in the vulva, and you can wash it off when taking your bath. But absolutely, I do not recommend toilet paper. But wipes is good, absolutely. The reason is that it's wet and it is soft. When you use it to clean, it cleans thoroughly. Like you washed, it cleans thoroughly and keeps the whole place neat. But if you ask me, if you can wash, especially if you're at home, wash and dry. Do not wash your private parts with clean water and forget to dry. Because microorganism thrives where there is wetness, and this absolutely will attract the attention of microorganism. That is why washing with clean water is perfect, but you need to do it right. When you want to wash, you wash and dry. That is a good way to go because vagina absolutely needs to be dry to avoid attracting microorganisms. Then again, if you want to shave, please, I advise you use scissors. Use scissors to trim up the hair. It is better. You may not react because some women react to using blade to shave their end, so use scissors if you react. This is very, very important. And again, make sure that when you're sexually active, see your doctor often. This is because you need to be taken care of. You may ask me why. When you are sexually active, you are prone or you're exposed to so many things. And the doctors need to check you once in a while to make sure you're free from infection or certain things that may cause you problems in the future. This is absolutely important. Then the use of cotton pants is not negotiable. The reason is that at every point in your menstrual cycle, there are certain normal vaginal discharge that is coming out. And cotton pant absorbs, it absorbs. Remember, I told you that vagina needs to be dry. It's not good to leave the place wet all the time. Despite the fact that this fluid is coming from the vagina, that's normal vaginal discharge. When you wear cotton pants, it helps absorb them, thereby reducing the effect or attention of microorganism at that end. So please buy cotton pants. Avoid the use of nylon pants. It is not good at all. It is not good. 100% cotton is absolutely good. And use pants lining if you have heavy discharge during any time in your menstrual cycle. Use pant lining. Pant lining will help to absorb those, please, and change it. When it's wet, change. And if you notice that your vaginal discharge is becoming heavier, it could be a sign that you're having infection and you need to see your doctor. So make sure you observe yourself as a woman, be vigilant to avoid problems. Right. When you are menstruating as a woman, every woman who is in her reproductive age menstruates. And when you are menstruating, do not wait until you come back late in the evening or in the night to change your pad or to do the needful. Once you notice your wet, change your pad immediately. Change your pad immediately because those blood coming from the uterus contains some bacteria. At a point, if you leave it there, it becomes a problem. So you need to change your pad often when you're menstruating. Once you're wet, change it immediately. Some have the habit of waiting. Once they bathe in the morning and get out of the house, they will wait till when they come back in the evening or in the night to change and take their bath. This is absolutely wrong. Even if you're not having heavy flu, Once you notice you're wet, change your pad immediately. This is absolutely important to avoid problems because some of this pad, you don't know what they used to make them. So you need to be careful to change often because when it's heated up, certain things may assume from it and you don't know. Change your pad often. As soon as you get wet, change it. You know that heat is also not good for that area. Again, eat healthy. Eat more of fruit and vegetable. Vitamins helps you to keep healthy generally and fight infection. Minerals and vitamins helps you to fight infection. So, and you know that you are what you eat. So eat healthy, eat right, eat more of fruit and vegetable, and eat proteinous food. This helps you with your general health as a woman. It is important. And anytime you're having itchy, anytime you're having itchy is a sign that's a problem. You may be having some infection. Please see your doctor and do not forget, as a woman, you must take your bath at least 2 times a day. 2 times a day. This is absolutely important. Do not forget to share this video to any woman you know. It is important. A lot of things are going wrong because of simple hygiene and people do neglect it. As a woman, do not neglect your personal hygiene. It's very, very important. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.